Moko kuom MPs kaachiel gi jotend rowere mawuok e kaunti ma Murang'a owuok oko kendo jagoro bura ma Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro bang' kuom komiti marango weche mag bajet e od bura mamalo. Jotelo go yango ni Ndindi Nyoro nochung' motegno gi jatend piny William Ruto ndalo kampen, gino makoro giwacho ni en ranyisi kaka jatend piny William Ruto ondhogo oganda mawuok masawa ma Kenya.
It is not fair that a government that we voted for, that we really supported, it is mistreating our people, targeting our people unfairly. They started with our deputy president, now it is our own, Ndindi Nyoro. So, and it is a matter of time. We will kick you out. As a government that we supported, we form another government.
Tumekuja hapa kama MCAs na viongozi wa Murang'a ambaye tuko na hasira na hatujafurahia vile mheshimiwa wetu Ndindi Nyoro anavyotatanishwa bunge. Tumesimama na tumejiunga na kusema ya Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah achana na mheshimiwa wetu Ndindi Nyoro.
This is not just a personal affront to Ndindi Nyoro, but a grave insult to the people of Murang'a, the people of Mount Kenya, and the countless Kenyans who strongly believes in his leadership. We stand united, asking the majority leader and the minority to see this unwanted attack on Ndindi Nyoro. There is no tangible reason to justify the humiliation and the disrespect directed